Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Before you speak, take a brief pause and breathe for 5 seconds. This helps calm your voice and clear sudden anger. List 3 goals before the conversation. Your goals should be respect, clarity, and a firm boundary. Remind yourself that tone matters as much as words, and you control your tone. Practice a neutral volume and steady pace so your message arrives without escalation. Open by acknowledging her perspective with one validating sentence to show respect. Then use an I statement to describe your feeling and specific need without blame. Say, for example, I feel unheard when you interrupt, and I need 5 minutes to explain. Offer 2 reasonable options to solve the issue and ask what she prefers. Keep sentences short and calm to lower defensiveness. After you state needs, set a clear boundary and a consequence if crossed. For example, say I will leave the room if interrupted and return in 10 minutes. Ask to agree on a time to revisit the conversation within 3 days to review progress. Confirm the plan by restating it briefly and end with genuine appreciation for listening. Leave calmly to maintain the boundary and prepare for a constructive follow-up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.